Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook. Now the first thing you have to do is go to Facebook. From here tap on this profile icon and then scroll down, then go to settings and privacy, then go to settings. From here go to password and security, then go to password and security, then tap on change password, then tap on this profile. Now from here you can change your password. First you have to type your old password. Now just type it. After that type your new password from here and then retype your new password. And now tap on change password. Now a code will be sent to your email. And here you can see my code. Then just type the code here. Then tap on continue. And it's done. Now the password has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change Facebook password. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.